Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings application, and after that we should tap to the wallpaper section. Now we can see here my photos, stylized and created images, so we can just use, for example, photo from our device gallery, the previously taken on our device camera. Unfortunately I have no just the new photos. So also we can use here the downloaded photo from the internet if you have just any photos. For example, we can use nowadays default wallpapers, so let's use, for example, this folder, and let's select just one from this wallpaper. So let's use this one. Just tap now on the right down corner and here select the lock screen. Now we can see here the message that this wallpaper set successfully, and let's just check it. Okay, we just should here set the lock screen. For example, I'll use the pattern. So done. And now let's lock the device, and we can see here that's wallpaper. So just to change it, let's use the second way how we can do that. First we should hold for a while our device screen, and after that we should select the wallpaper section, and we'll open the same wallpaper settings. So let's use, for example, the another wallpaper. For example, we can use this one. Just we can set here the position of this wallpaper, tap to the OK, lock screen, and that's it. As you can see, that's so simple to do. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.